Hey guys, and welcome back to Cageland. So today I have a cleaning video for you. I am going to clean my kitchen. We had some guests over yesterday, and just to prepare for the holiday, I'm going to go ahead and get my kitchen spotless.
Again and again, can't stay in this dead-end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had?
The first thing I do is to clean my sink. Yes, I clean my dishes with bleach. Right now it is flu season, so I'm just trying to minimize any germs that can come into the house.
And time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we lost our way. We're out of time again and again.
So next I'm gonna pull out everything that needs to come out of the refrigerator. I really like to really clean out the refrigerator and make sure all of my pots and pans are ready for all of this cooking.
Yeah, we lost in the end. I know living in a lie ain't easy. I don't want it no more. I know one of us is going crazy if we don't let it go. I feel everything inside me changes all over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is tainted, yeah, tainted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? Running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we left here without love. We're out of time and time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we lost our way. We're out of time again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Yeah, yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the
So now the star of the show is to make sure that my stove is ready for all of this cooking. I'm gonna go in with this method stove cleaner. I think it's called Degrees. I'll put it down in the description bar, but this is the best thing I've been able to find to really get the grease and the gunk off of the stove. I go in with a scrubber and I scrub it, and then I wipe it down, and then I go again and spray more of that method. And then I let that sit for about 5 minutes, and I come back and do the whole thing all over again. Once I'm done with all of that, I then get my microfiber towel and polish it just to make sure my stove is nice and clean.
For this to be moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light. Thinking of reasons to make it all be alright. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be
So I have this melting pot here in the kitchen, and I have these Febreze. This is one of my favorite scents. It really smells like fall. I did pick up another one, however, I just didn't like that one. But if you want your kitchen to smell like you've been baking pies all day, you'll definitely grab this one. Alright guys, so that is it. Now my kitchen is clean and I am ready to have guests over and cook in this clean kitchen. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see me do all of the cooking and whatnot. I'll be there all day. And also guys, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so before you leave. Give it a thumbs up. See you guys in the next one. Bye.